Hey everyone, I'm Brian.
And I'm Nikki.
And this is Drinking with the Codas. In addition to our Shamrock Shake video, you can make a Shamrock Protein Shake that is a little bit healthier for you and also a great consideration.
Yep, instead of our green food coloring, we're using some fresh spinach, which gives it a nice green color. We're using a protein powder to get that vanilla flavor that we typically get from the ice cream. And we have milk here. We're using skim milk. You can also use a milk alternative like almond, coconut, soy, whatever you prefer.
Whole milk, 2%, 3%, 3.25%, 1%, 1.5%, 9.75%.
We also have mint extract here. So you can use peppermint extract if you'd like. That's what some stores may only carry. But the mint extract is going to give it more of that spearmint flavor rather than the peppermint, which is kind of like a candy cane flavor. So as an option, you can put whipped cream on top just to finish it off, along with a maraschino cherry.
Let's get mixing. All right, we are mixed and good to go. This still has some nice minty flavor to it, and you can feel energized that you're getting something moderately healthy, and it'll bring a little bit of protein to your day.
Yeah, so this is pretty low calorie, under 200 calories for this. And you're getting close to 20 grams of protein when we count the protein powder with the milk. So this is perfect for just a way to get some extra protein in your day if you haven't gotten enough from your meals. And it's actually really tasty, so a great option to switch up your protein game.
Regardless of if it's St. Paddy's Day or not.
Exactly. And you're getting some vegetables in here with the spinach, and it gives it a nice green color.
Well, Lassie, thank you again for watching. We hope you enjoy this St. Paddy's Day beverage that you can make that adds a little bit of protein to your day. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Till next time.